is Jiayu again, and today is our second day in Dallas. So right now I'm in an Airbnb, and this is gonna be our Airbnb in Dallas. Today we are going to Museum District and try some good restaurants, some good Korean restaurants, and maybe go out for a bike ride. And I think it will be an interesting day. See you guys! So we got our food, and never seen this before, so basically yes please, thank you. So it's like a layer of tortillas, and then for mine it has beans inside, and this is cheese, and that's sour cream. Nathan, what do you have inside of your tortillas?
Like chorizo, cheese, beans.
A few moments later.
So finally we're in our Airbnb, and these are our stuff. And here's the living room. Grace,
Huh?
can you take us on a house tour?
Sure, I
Okay.
don't really know this house for sure.
Yes. It's actually much nicer than I thought.
This is probably the bedroom where the boys will be staying.
Yeah.
Because I don't think 3 boys can fit on a two twin-sized bed. And then this is Nathan being antisocial and pretending to nap.
So this is our house, and we're going to be staying here for 2 nights.
Yes, 2 nights.
Yeah. And now we're just going to wash up a little bit and then figure out what to do next. See you guys later.
A few inches later.
It's gonna sit here.
I'm gonna sit in the middle.
So now we are going to art museums. What are we going?
Art district.
Okay, yeah, now we're going to art district.
Warren.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, and this is Cumin. Hey, Cumin, say hi.
Hi, I'm Cumin.
Okay. And still Nathan's driving us. Cumin! I miss you guys so much.
Oh.
The lighting's so weird. Why is it like this? Yeah.
You weren't in the
It's
shot,
sad.
don't worry.
Where's Peter Sheep?
Yeah, where's
He flaked.
Oh.
Peter?
A friend's graduation.
Okay.
What a good friend.
Yeah, such a good friend.
But
Where's Caleb right now? Is he at home?
Yeah, he's at home. But like, how did he just find out about the graduation?
Oh, and we're gonna meet with Caleb later tonight.
Actually.
When you murder the beat.
초코머피는 조각시켜놓고 고소한 우유 한 잔을 기다려요.
Just like a food drink.
Yeah, or drink or like, yeah.
Like Inca food.
We're eating our ice.
Yep.
It's so hot. What
We
flavor
got
is
a
it?
cooler sauce down. This is tree flavor. This is tree flavor. This is tree flavor.
Now we're starting to bike.
Yeah.
Good luck, Grace. You can do it. Hi everyone. Or
Like temperature wise, yes, I'm very hot.
yeah, we are back from the bike ride, and it was a little bit stressful and also pretty hot. And Grace, was it your first time biking?
Yes.
Yeah, it was her first time, and then we were biking downtown, so it was very hard for her. But you did well.
I am never doing that again.
I feel like with enough practice, she's gonna bike so well in the future. Okay, let's give her a round of applause.
In the next episode.
In the next
Flying Bike
episode,
Z.
yeah, maybe tomorrow she will learn how to bike. So now we finally have Caleb, and now we're going out to eat. Finally in Koreatown. Again, but we are having a difficult time deciding. But most likely we'll have Korean barbecue. So see you guys there. How do you make
Okay,
a
so
wrap?
since the beef is hot, you need to cool it down with the salad, right? And sometimes with the dipping. This is the most basic way of eating.
Ah, I see. So what do you do with the rice?
Then you can add the rice to your mouth sometimes after the beef.
Ah, I see. How is it?
Very good.
Yes.
Beef one number 2. Yeah. So this time we're in what's it called again? Human
Snowy Village.
Snowy Village, and this is green tea, and this is
Injomi.
injomi, which is rice cake.
It looks like 2 antennae.
Oh gosh. Yeah. Because we are fancy, that's why we put pocky. How is it? What do you think, Caleb?
Pretty good. What is this flavor?
Yungogi.
What's that?
It's like rice
It's like
cake. It's a mochi.
bean, like dried bean.
How does it get its flavor? Is it from the powder on top?
Yeah, I think so. Hi everyone! So finally we're back in our Airbnb. We're out here finally!
Yeah, we
Yeah,
are.
5 of us.
We're safe. We're not dead.
Yeah, we're
We don't hate
not
each other.
dead. And we still love each other. And I think this trip is such a wonderful opportunity for me to realize how much I love them. They're very, very precious people in my life, and I'm extremely grateful. And I'm just hoping that for the rest of our trip, this will be very fun and it'll be relaxing for us, and then it will be a good bonding time. Right. Do you guys have anything to say?
We love you, Jiayu.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday.
Oh yeah, they surprised me with a roll cake. So
Yeah.
I love them.
And more
And
snacks.
Jayu's on a roll.
I love them so much. But I love you too. Bye. See you guys tomorrow. We were triple chin,
Quadruple chin.
quadruple chin.
R.I.P. Willy Wonka, watch the roof come off. I pull up in that candy paint, call it Veruca. So you cheated and you lied, you broke the rules, my dog. Now you wanna come. Like voodoo, real dope boy, 100,000 in the visa. President's 10 slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what you